Welcome to World Kitchen. It's great to see you all for this May edition of our cooking workshop. This month we have a guest chef, and the World Kitchen has moved to her house for the day. So we are very happy to have Pallavi Iswara here with us. And I will go ahead and let Pallavi take it away.
Thank you, Tamra. Welcome everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Pallavi Iswara. So we're going to start off with spinach dal, and then here I'm just going to go just bunch them together, and I'm going to make them into thin strips, and inside are all the spices that I use most often. Spinach dal. So here is your egg curry, here is your rice, here is cucumber raita, suji halwa.
Have a great dinner, everyone, and we'll see you next month. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tamra. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye, everyone.